Before we get started drawing, I want to go over a few tips on how to succeed in this course. First of all, make sure to work through the course and get to the first drawing project. Don't worry if your drawings are not to the level that you want yet at the beginning of this course. The entire point of this class is that you improve your drawings. I suggest you compare your drawings from the beginning of this course to the drawings you produce after completing this course. There will be a huge difference. My next tip is to practice every single day. Even if you just draw for a few minutes, drawing every day can help you improve your hand-eye coordination and your pressure control. It can also aid in your understanding and portrayal of lighting, depth, perspective, and form. So make sure to practice, practice, practice. Another way to succeed at improving your drawing skills is to get feedback. Post any questions in the Q&A area here on Udemy. Before asking a question, you can search to see if the same question has already been asked. But I also suggest introducing yourself in the course in this area. It'd be great to hear from you. Feel free to include any images of your drawings so far. For even more feedback, make sure to join our Facebook group, which is linked in the next text lecture. You can get feedback about your drawings from me or your peers. Next, I suggest using the speed controls on the Udemy video player to adjust the speed at which the follow-along lessons play. I include tips and insight about the process while I draw while you follow along. Some students prefer a slower cadence, while others like a fast-paced narration. So, make sure to use those video player controls to customize the speed. You can also bookmark points in the course to go back to, and it will indicate which lessons you have completed so far. Finally, I do suggest watching the video lessons in order. We get started by drawing gestures, which are meant to be a faster pace and with less time. We add methods relating to line, shading, perspective, sketching, and rendering later. They build upon each other so that by the time you are drawing a highly rendered block-in drawing, a landscape with realistic perspective, or a detailed portrait, you will already have a toolkit of drawing methods to employ. Of course, since you have lifetime access to this course, you can go back later to specific lessons to refresh your memory, even after completing this course. In this lesson, I went over some tips on how to succeed in this course, so you can improve your drawings one follow-along lesson at a time. Thanks. I'll see you in the next lesson.